Why is it so hard to score a full 20 out of 20 in comprehension? Is it really that difficult, or students using the wrong strategy? Today I will show you why most students fail, what they do wrong, and how you can actually score full marks. Trust me, if you don't fix this one mistake, you are wasting your time. So watch till the end. Here's the truth: most students don't read the passage properly. They jump straight to the questions, scan the passage for keywords, and hope for quick answers. It feels fast, it feels smart, but it always leads to low marks and frustration. Because comprehension is not about speed, it's about understanding. If you want 20 out of 20, do this instead. Number 1, read the entire passage first without answering anything. Focus on understanding the main ideas, tone, and the purpose. Number 2, pay special attention to the first and last 2 lines of each paragraph. That is where examiners usually hide the key ideas. Number 3, after understanding the passage, read the questions carefully. Number 4, when you got to the summary question, it becomes much easier because the summary question usually reflects what the passage is about. When you read properly, answers become clear. You avoid misinterpretation, you write accurately, and give relevant responses. And that is how students move from passing to scoring full marks. So yes, 20 out of 20 is possible, but only if you change how you approach comprehension. If you find this helpful, subscribe, like, and comment so YouTube does not hide my next video from you. See you in the next lesson.